So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make $521 by playing just an iPhone game here on the Freecash app. So once Freecash is opened up and you want to earn some stake, you want to earn PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards, whatever, money just in general, go to the main screen here, go to the bottom left and press on earn. Now, once you're on the earn screen right here, there is going to be 3 offers available to me. This number could be different to you depending on when I guess you're opening the app. There could be different offers. Now, these offers indicate which games you can play to earn money. Now, in this case, if I wanted to make $521, I would have to go ahead and play Dice Dreams iOS right here. So, if I were to go into more information right here, how you guys can exactly play and earn the money is as follows. You can complete the burning rewards right here. So, for example, if you complete Kingdom 40 within 11 days, you can earn yourself $30, and if you just keep going and playing the game over time, you can earn yourself a ton of different money. So a pretty cool way of just playing an iPhone game, competing challenges, leveling up, etc., and earning money. And in total, you can earn $521 in rewards. So if you just want to go ahead and do this, go to where it says play and earn right here. It'll then redirect you to the App Store, download the app, complete the challenges, earn the rewards, and you guys can earn $521 by just playing Dice Dreams on the iPhone here in this example. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can make $521 by playing an iPhone game here on the Freecash application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.